Hi soulmates, welcome back again to my channel. It's a girl Journey. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful Victoria corset top that you are seeing on the screen. So I'm going to show you how I did the pattern drafting for the top. So let's dive into the tutorial. So first I've marked the shoulder measurement, which is 8 inches. I'm working with 8 inches shoulder. So 14 inches is from shoulder to 14 inches is the under bust, 17 inches is the waistline, while 26 inches is where the basque point ends. So the next thing I'm going to mark is 11 inches for nipple point and 9 inches for chest line. So I'll be marking them out. This is the chest line, nipple point, under bust, waist, and the full length. So the next thing I'm going to mark is nipple to nipple measurement, that is the breast distance. The breast distance I'm working with is 8 inches. 8 inches divided by 2 is 4 inches. So that is what I'm marking now, 4 inches. So the next thing I'm going to mark, let me extend this area first. I'm going to insert the neck line, not minding that the clothes we are about to cut does not have neck, but I'm marking the basic neckline, which is 3 by 3 inches, 3 width and 3 depth. So from the shoulder line I'll come down by 1 inches, that is shoulder slope. I'll connect it to the neck width. I'll go ahead and divide the remaining armhole. Then I'll get the midpoint. On that midpoint I'll come in by half of an inch on that midpoint. Then on the chest line I'm going to insert the bust measurement divided by 4. With the help of my French curve, I'm going to draw out the armhole. So the next thing I'm going to do is to label it. This is chest, nipple points, under bust, waist, and full length. On the under bust, I'll be minusing 1.2 inches on the both side. 1.2 inches. 1.2 inches on the both side, on the waistline also. Then on the full line I'll be minusing the same thing. I'll go ahead and connect the dots. The reason why I'm marking 1.2 inches is because the person has a fuller bust. So with the help of my French curve, I'll be curving it this way. You can achieve this curve when you come down by 1 inch from the nipple point. Then you curve it this way if you're making use of free hand. So On the chest line, I'll be coming up by 2 inches because the person doesn't want her cleavage to show. So I'll be extending this line to the new chest line. So for the upper part, I'll be minusing 0.8 inches. It's not up to 1 inch. 0.8 inches on both sides. So I'll go ahead and connect that dot to nipple point with the help of French curve. The next thing I'm going to do is to insert the bust measurements. Bust measurement divided by 2. Then I'll be adding what I have on the dart intake. Then I'll add allowance that I'll use to join them. On the under bust, I'll be doing the same thing. Round under bust divided by 4. Add the dart intake. Then add allowance for the joining. On the waist, I'll be doing the same thing on the waist. Waist divided by 4. Add the dart intake, then plus allowance that I will use to sew the clothes. Then on the full length, I'll be inserting hip measurement divided by 4. Add the dart intake, then add the allowance I will use to join them. So the next thing I'm going to do is to connect the dots. So because it's Victoria corset, you can slash as much as possible, but here I'll be only make use of one slash. So on the waistline, I came down by 2 inches so that I will use it to trace my basque line. You can come down by 3 inches from the waistline. You can come down by 1 inch, but here I decide to come down by 2 inches. So this is it. The next thing I'll be doing is to divide the side pattern into 2. On the bust side, I will be dividing it into 2. When I get the midpoint,